So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video I am going to show you how you can change your privacy on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp. Now here go to settings, then go to privacy. Now here you can change all kind of your privacies easily. So first of all, open your last seen and online. Now change your last seen to nobody, and who can see I'm online to same as last seen. Then go back and go to profile photo and change it to nobody. And again go back, go to about, change it to nobody. Now go back and go to status and let it remain on my contacts and go back. Then change read receipt to turn off. So after changing read receipt, what you have to do, you have to go to default message timer and change it to 24 hours. Now after changing these settings, what will happen? Your chats will be automatically deleted after 24 hours. Now go back, then go to groups. Now change it to my contacts. And that's it. That's how you can change your privacy on WhatsApp easily. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel Tutormania. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.